Hey again there guys, just a quick more of explainer about our wireless screen here, clip on screen that clips onto your rear view mirror. It's actually explained pretty good in the video above, but just explaining why we have a few extra options on the product page and how it all happens. So obviously you can see what was explained above. There's a transmitter box that's going to go in the Caravan. That's going to send that signal through. Now you need to have a camera that has AHD format. We are working on a transmitter that can take CVBS sort of format. So if you look at your Caravan camera, it'll probably have a sticker on it, and you can probably tell what it is. It'll be CVBS or PAL. If you check out the footage and it isn't kind of like crystal clear, it's probably the old school CVBS. Otherwise, you might have to try and work out what it is. Now, we've just added a few things onto our kit because we sort of want people to be able to, well, if you're doing this, you might just want to actually upgrade the camera as well. Yeah, so Caravan, you've got the camera on the back here. Now that might be like CVBS, and so you're going to put our transmitter on the front. There's a little 4-pin cable you have there already, a little plug. That's going to plug into our one. And then you're probably going to use our Anderson piggyback cable to give this power. So this is going to get power for your Anderson in the piggyback cable. So you can see that's one of the products in the list there. So you can choose the transmitter, which is the box that's going to plug into your 4-pin. You can choose the piggyback cable if that's a good way for you to power it. Otherwise, if you're happy to power it off a trailer plug or whatever you have around here, that's also good. It just needs a 12 to 32 volt actual input, so it can take a wide range. So whatever you have there, it can probably handle. Then obviously, if your camera is not AHD, our AHD transmitter is not going to work. So it's up to you. It could be a good chance to upgrade your camera. So you can see a few different cameras on your page there. They're all basically the same. They're all 1080p AHD. They just have different shapes and sizes really. The inside's the same. So you could actually unscrew this camera on the back. There'll be like a grommet. If you pull it a bit, within 30 centimeters, you're gonna find that 4-pin plug again, which looks like that. And you can just plug one of our cameras in there, and that's gonna upgrade the quality of the camera at the back. So that is an option if you wanna do that. If you don't wanna do that, just keep waiting, and we will have a CVBS one. This video could get old, so if we do sort it out, we'll put it on the product page and actually link it. So that's going to take care of that. You've got the Anderson as an add-on if you want that for a power, different camera options. And then when you get into the car, you're going to put the screen in, and there's a couple options here. You can either power it off a cigarette plug, or you can hardwire power it, and so you'll see a couple other options for a fuse tap set, so you can just run power positive and negative to a fuse tap. So hopefully that sort of explains the product on the page.